my name is Roger, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about the V-Synth again. Yeah, I'm going to talk about Sound Shaper, because Sound Shaper is a very easy way to create your own sounds. Because I noticed that a lot of people are pretty impressed by the V-Synth and how complex it is, but Sound Shaper, which is standard in the V-Synth, Sound Shaper is a very nice way to create your own sounds. And I will give you a simple example. Let's check it out. I hold exit and I turn the V-Synth on and it's starting immediately. It's not loading anything, so we're now totally clean to start. And I'm going to show you Sound Shaper, because Sound Shaper is a way to create your own sounds in a very simple and quick way. Because Sound Shaper gives you the opportunity to create sounds directly just with a few pushes of a button. So let's say I want to have a poly synth, and let's do the mega sauce. What kind of sauce? Mega sauce. Mayonnaise, ketchup? No, mega sauce. Okay. So it's loading now some internal sounds, and we see over here a screen with the oscillators, and here's some knobs. Those knobs are represented by the upper knobs of your synthesizer. So for example, this is the sound. And the first knob is the level of oscillator 1. And this is the knob for oscillator 2. So now you can already create your own sound by changing the values. Attack and release. But you also can choose over here, for example, another oscillator waveform. So this is a very easy way. Now I can do it now. Oh, you also can select your own effects. Hall 1. I turn off the other effects. So it's a very easy way to create your own sounds. Now do write. Where do you want to write it? Well, on 1, because there's nothing in the synthesizer. So it's now written on patch number 1. Okay, and I want to show you something else now, because now you're ready again in the synthesizer itself, and now you can dive deeper into it. Let me show you the following with the step modulator. This is something I found out the other day. Very nice. I'm going to create a tremolo effect with the step modulator. So I turn step modulator A on. Then the destination needs to be TVA and then pen. Okay. So now I'm going to select only 2 steps, and step number 1 is right and step number 2 is left. Now I have a tremolo. Which is very nice, because the tremolo is also a multi-effects, but in this case you keep the multi-effects free for something else. So I can say, for example, over here I want to have, let me get it again, the stereo delay alternate. Okay, let's create another sound. Sound Shaper. In this case I want to have a synth pad. Saturn Rise, I don't know what it is, but we do enter and it's loading. Let me change the attack. Okay, very nice. I do right. Where do I want to have it? On destination 1. Well, there it says Mega Sauce. I can do compare. Check it out. So this is the Saturn Rise. I do compare. And this is the sound of Mega Sauce. So I want to place it on another one because I want to save Mega Sauce. So I do execute. And this is Saturn Rise. Now I can change over here. Again, the parameters of the synth itself. So this is very nice, very cool to play with the V-Synth and to create your own sounds. Let's do another one, Sound Shaper. I want to, yeah, let me piano type. Oh, that's nice, piano type. It's not piano, but piano type. Which to choose? Hollowed EP. Okay. Well, let me turn down oscillator 2. Okay, oscillator 1 is the high pitched. And if I like it like this, then I say right on 3, execute. So it's now on patch number 3. We got Saturn Rise. And we got Mega Sauce. So as you can see, the V-Synth is an extremely great sound tool to create your own sounds. And with the application Sound Shaper, which is standard in your V-Synth, yeah, you can create your own sound. Very nice, very cool. I like it a lot. Guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see each other next time.